This is Ekko from the hit Netflix show Arcane, and this is how much it costs to get his mask on Etsy. No shade to the artists or their price, because they work hard on those, but today I want to see if I can make Ekko's mask with a roll of toilet paper. Will I be successful, or will I end up a mummified mess? Let's find out. Okay, for starters, I got my shell mask ready to go. So this is what I'm gonna mold on top of to make mine. And then I got some juicy reference pictures going on up here. And then lastly, we got the non-hardening clay to make the form. And so yeah, I'm gonna get started. Okay, for everyone watching who's like, hello, this is supposed to be a toilet paper mask. Why are we using clay? Don't worry. This is just a base for the toilet paper. It's not going to be part of the final product. I just need to build a form to put my toilet paper on top of. Okay, so here it is. As you can see, I added that little thing, and the way I did this little bump here I put like a line of clay and kind of just like blended it out. So it kind of looks like a, three-dimensional. That's pretty much what I did. So I'm basically trying to mirror this side now, work on the forehead. That's what I'm gonna do right now. All right, I'm done. Let me hold it up to the light a little bit. Got the sides, little ear wing things, top. Only took me like 3 days. I think it looks pretty good. Nice base to start off with. So what we have here though, to make the rest of it, glue and water, just glue, and toilet paper. And basically I'm just taking strips like this one. Let's find a good spot. Maybe like right there. And then I just take my paintbrush, dip it in the water and glue. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You just do that everywhere, multiple times. So I'm gonna finish this layer and I'm gonna let it dry and then I'll check back with you. Okay, the first layer's done. That's why he's looking kind of mummified. So that's what it's looking like so far. I need to let it dry and then come back and do like 5 more layers. So here's what it looks like, all done. Okay, and here is the mask all done with all the paper mache layers. I probably did like 8 or 10 layers. I'm not exactly sure anymore. About the next step, which is covering the entire paper mache in this latex paint. For everyone looking at this latex paint thinking, what the heck is that? It's literally just a paint with latex in it. The latex in the paint gives it a sheen and a thickness, which works really well for the toilet paper mask because it adds a layer of thickness and a gloss that almost looks plasticky. Finally, the mask was cut free from its clay form. I started cutting out all the little details, widening the eye holes, sanding, yada yada yada, the boring stuff. And now, please enjoy this time lapse of me painting the mask. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up because we have made it to the final reveal.
I don't need hours or days or years. I only need seconds.